Everybody, my name is Michelle and today I just wanted to make a quick little video showing you guys how I made my dried flower bouquets for my wedding for super cheap. The first thing I got super excited about making was my wedding bouquets. I know that wedding bouquets can get so expensive, so scoured the internet and I was super lucky to find that Hobby Lobby had a sale, 50% off dried flowers. That's crazy lucky on my behalf. So I had decided to make 3 different bouquets. I have bridesmaids ones, maid of honors, and of course my bouquet. So the color scheme I decided to go for was this. This is my bridesmaid bouquet. I just bought some pheasant feathers, peacock feathers, and just a bunch of greenery. I've got some eucalyptus, some straw, and of course, as like a centerpiece, I bought these beautiful flowers as well. All of these flowers are completely real. They're just dry. They're going to last ages. And then I just got some string to tie all together. Of course, this bouquet is not completely finished. It looks a bit of a mess at the moment. I still need to do some finishing touches to them. But I was super happy how they turned out. I think they're going to look really pretty. Like some of my favorite parts is this little bit that sticks up. I don't know, it just looks like it's going to be like a fairy wedding. So I tried to make these small and I got a little bit carried away. I don't know, I just couldn't help myself. I kept adding more things to it, and yeah, I think when I'm like redoing this, I'm going to need to like reduce like the height at least and maybe make it a little bit more bulky. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So the next one is my maid of honor bouquet. So same flowers pretty much, apart from that I added this white stuff in the back here and a couple of other sort of bulkier ones, and I think they look different to regular bouquets, and I love the colors. It looks so earthy and they're just like my style. I don't know, I'm really happy with them. So that's the maid of honor one. And then I have, okay, this one I took it like way too far. It's freaking huge. But this is my bouquet. I need to, like I said, like tone it down a bit. I went a little bit crazy. But the most amazing thing about this, all this stuff came to $60. And I still have a shit ton left over. And I'm just so over the moon with how they turned out. I think they look gorgeous. Maybe that's just me, and I get that they're not everyone's cup of tea, but they're definitely me. Anyone who knows me knows that this is just Michelle. This is just me. So my advice is just pop to your local craft store, or you probably even get them at sort of farmers markets and whatnot, and just grab whatever catches your eye, and I guarantee I started like laying them down on the table on top of one another and just getting the right combination of colors and whatnot, and you'll come out with something really beautiful that is unique to yourself, and you made them yourself. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is my first video, so please like and subscribe to me. Help a gal out. Let me know that people are actually interested in hearing from me, and that my voice is not too annoying or difficult to understand. I will also put links down below to some of the things that I have bought to make my bouquet, and also some other things I've also bought for my wedding that are pretty cheap and I think are really pretty. So I hope this short little video was useful for you guys. Please let me know if you try it out, and let me know if there's anything else you guys might be interested in from me. Ask me any questions if you would like to. Please let me know in the comments below. It's been lovely talking to you guys, and hopefully see you again soon.